Britain's caretaker PM Keir Starmer unveils defense spending plan to boost drone warfare capabilities. Britain's caretaker Prime Minister Keir Starmer has unveiled a major defense spending plan aimed at significantly strengthening the country's drone warfare capabilities, positioning it as a key part of his leadership legacy. Mr. Starmer announced that the defense investment plan will be backed by £298 billion over the next 4 years. The package also includes an additional £15 billion in funding following criticism from within his cabinet that existing resources were insufficient to prepare the UK for the demands of modern warfare and emerging technologies. Mr. Starmer said the plan puts the security of the British people first by transforming the armed forces and ensuring they have the funding and equipment needed to defend the nation against evolving threats. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.